Yeah. What up, everybody? It's your boy Hythe here, and today we got an unboxing video. You know what I'm saying? Black Friday just rolled around, so you know what I'm saying, we gotta get them steals. That's what we all about on this channel. But anyways, look what we got today, boys. Boom. Turtlebeach Elite Pro 2 for the PS4 Pro and PS4/PC edition. You know we had to cop that super amp right there. Anyways, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna see how it performs, we're gonna test out everything. So stay tuned. Bam! Look at this joint right here, boy. So fresh and so clean. Ooh, baby. Alright. And you know, we got on the, dang, I can't aim. You know, we got on the box. It's a big old box, letting y'all know. You know what I'm saying? We got all the good things that we'll talk about right there. Anyways, I've already pre-cut or whatnot, so you're just gonna slide open. Look at that chrome finish right there. Looking all smexy. Anyways, gonna open it up right here. Oh my gosh. Elite Pro 2 plus Super Amp. Together, we are elite. Look at that bad boy right there. Oh my gosh. This thing is bigger in person. I've looked up reviews, you know what I'm saying? Because you know, we're a smart shopper over here. But dang, this thing is big. I don't even know where to start. I'll pull up the headphones right quick. Let's go one step at a time. So let me move this to the side. Right there. And boom, we got the big old Bohemian Rhapsodies. These are the twos. It comes with some, you know what I'm saying, some flaps. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it up. Oh. Talk sexy to me now. One more. Let me get one more. Oh. Oh, there we go. Anyways, as you can see right here, these little pieces right here on the sides are detachable. Apparently they're gonna have some super cool, like, extra ones, you know what I'm saying, if you want to spice it up a little bit. They're magnetic, come on both sides. And on the inside, these are also magnetic. These are different from the Elite Pro 1, the first ones, the first generation, where they're magnetic. The other ones you have to kind of do a whole number. But again, we got the memory foam. Got the memory foam right here. It's very cool. Got the cool gel still. Feel it like that. The cool gel is real. All right, cool gel is real. And so we got the feature right here again. That is for glasses wearers. I'll be showing that off soon. And you know, if you go to the bottom, you got a port for the cable and a port for the mic. The mic's kind of different to where it connects to the bottom and it kind of comes out. I don't know how I'm feeling about that, but hey, it is what it is. No more numbers on the top. If you know, by the first Turtlebeach, you could adjust your tension, headband tension up here with some sliders, but those are no longer case. It's just one big thing. And what's cool about this is if you look here on the inside, that the speakers are actually at an angle. So for the sound to go directly into your ear, that's all you'll have to have right there. And yeah, I thought that was a pretty cool feature. All right, moving on to the super amp right here. There's a little didgeridoo. It says download the Turtlebeach Audio Hub app, available on iOS and Android. We'll also be doing that when we hook it up. Basically just a amp right here. Got Turtlebeach on the back, Turtlebeach on the front. You know what I'm saying? Can't have too much branding, but here's a little spot right here. It looks to be for your headphones. In the back, you got probably your power. What is this? Optical. I think it's an optical cable. I'm not for sure. And it says out. So there's that. We're gonna be hooking everything up. So let's go back to the box. Big old beauty of a box. We're gonna. There we go. See what we got under here. You know, got some of these things. Can y'all tell me what these are for? Because I really don't know. Maybe to like make it smell good or something. Right here we got the Elite Pro 2 plus Super Amp literature. For all you nerds out there. No, I'm just playing. I'll probably be looking at this off camera. I mean, I'm pretty sure I know what to do, but it might be more cool stuff in there. You never know. And then moving on to the Turtlebeach accessories. Open it up. Right here. Oh, what is this? This is an optical cable, looks like. Pretty cool. Then we got, this is the We Are Elite, this is the Turtlebeach, whatchamacallit, didgeridoos. For this, these connect to the headphones into the super amp, so that's kind of cool. Move that to the side as well. And right here is the mic, which is cool. And last but not least, we have this bad boy for the power. So one end will be going into your amp, and the other will be going into the PS4. So, like I said, we're gonna hook all this up off screen, and then when we come back, we're gonna give you a few tests. Peace! What's up, everybody? And we're back at it. Look at these, they kind of big compared to my Astro, what is it? A40s. I had Astro A40s before this, and these are bigger, but they don't feel heavier though. Kind of weird. Excuse me if I'm talking kind of loud because I cannot hear myself. I kind of can because you can kind of hear yourself through the mic. Sounds pretty good, but still, it is a big one. So, it's how it feels or how it looks on your face. We'll wrap around here. Looking pretty smexy if you ask me. And so right now, ooh, look at that right there. I want to show off this glasses feature a little bit more. This is what you don't do. This right here. But I'm gonna take you back over to this right here, and we're gonna actually try it. So, you can see, pull this tab. Boom, just like that. Put on the last one. Just like that. So, if you can see now, there's a nice little feature right here where I can put my glasses or anything and it's not gonna tug at me. So, put that back on. Now it's time to do the other one. Boom, just pull it out like that. Pull, 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 pull. Boom, easy. Right? So now, put that back up. Now, I'm able to clout on my haters, you know, and be comfortable. Ooh, look at that. No tug, no pull, no nothing. I'm clouded out and I'm feeling comfortable. You feel me? You feel me? Alright, I'm done. All jokes aside, terrific feature. But alright, we're gonna move back down to the app. Alright, so this, as you can see, this amp compared to the first generation, it's a lot more minimal, right? So,
those words stuck with me.
Dang, where'd all the stuff go? Into the app. I had to download some firmware. I had to connect it to my PC and update it. So everything's good now. It took me a little minute, but we're back. And then so when you open it up, You can see you got game, mix, and chat. So, you know, if you want more game audio, you slide it over. If you want to hear your friends or teammates more, you can adjust it accordingly. And mic monitoring, superhuman hearing. I have to test that one out. That seems interesting. Chat boost, surround mode. Click that. You got game, movie, music, and stereo. Depends on what you're listening to. And game preset, signature sound. You can customize it. You can boost the bass, bass and treble boost, vocal boost, all that good stuff. Hit the next tab. Oh, I'm playing an ad. My bad. Newbie. Hashtag get me YouTube red. Alright. Anyways, you got voice prompt levels and tones levels and mic noise gate. On the third, you got LED mode, which is normal right now. If you click on it, you can change it to stealth. Oh, that is not stealth. Stealth right here, where, you know, unless you hit it, it'll go off. And then you can also switch it to audio meter. So I saw this. It's like if you talk or something, and it'll do this when you talk, but I don't know how that works yet. But we're gonna change it back to normal. And then LED color, it's normally blue, like so, but I changed it to orange. You know what I'm saying? Got that Hythe orange. It's all good in the hood. If you want to change it, you can hit custom color, and you got your red, greens, and blues down here. So you know we're gonna have to get one for Devise Gaming, right? So boom, straight red, you feel me? Save, name that color. Not gonna do anything fancy, but red. That store it. Anyways, you got your LED brightness, boom, all the way up. Or if it's in your face, get out of here. Turn it down or turn it off. Easy as that. Boom. Keep mine right there. Stream preset. If you're streaming, if it knows you're streaming, boom, it can help you out right there. It's kind of cool. Stream out game level and stream out mic level. This is actually really helpful. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do it in the Streamlabs or in the OBS or anything like that. It's right there on your phone. And then boom, you can just tell everything's hooked up. And right here, if you want to configure it from PS4 to PC, all you have to do is tap that once and it'll switch over to PC. All right, and one more test, you know what I'm saying? These are great and all, but how are they going to hold up in a game, maybe in a LAN tournament or something like that? You know me, I'm trying to get into some tournaments right now. And so I have to put it to use, you know? You know, things in tournaments get hectic. So, you know, you're going to be playing right. You play. Get wrecked! Get wrecked! Ooh, that was nice. It was good. It stayed on, you know what I'm saying? Get turned on! Get turned on! Yeah. It's good. My mom would never do that. She's not into you, bro. She's not into you. Wow. Wow, these are crazy. Wow. Really loving these. Anyways, I really don't know how to do a mic test. I've been playing with these for about 5-10 minutes now. They sound great. Like I said, I just have to run some more tests. I don't really know how to give that sound to you guys because I'm not very tech savvy. But hopefully you all enjoyed my little walkthrough, my little unboxing slash testing slash whatever you want to call it. But again, my name's Hythe. You're awesome. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you want to see more videos like this, you know what I'm saying? This has been a review of the Turtlebeach Elite Pro 2s plus the Super Amp. Again, hopefully you all enjoyed. You all have a fantastic evening. Light out.